At 1:30 a.m. on March 8th, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370's transponder lost contact with ground radar. Sources tell the Wall Street Journal that signals sent through the plane's satellite communications link indicate it may have flown hundreds of miles with its primary tracking device, known as the transponder, switched off. What does the transponder do? It's the technology that broadcasts the plane's position and location to ground radar. It can also be used by the pilot to send a code signaling a hijacking or some other emergency. A dial allows the pilot to switch it into standby position, which means the flight is no longer identified to controllers on the ground. What happened to the transponder on the missing Air Malaysia flight? What we know is that it stopped transmitting here. But if, as U.S. investigators suspect, the engine kept running for about 4 hours after that point, that means the plane could have traveled an additional 2,200 nautical miles. Why would a transponder fail or get switched off? One, a mid-air catastrophe that destroys the plane, like, for example, an explosion or collision. Two, a total onboard electrical failure on the plane. Three, an equipment malfunction. Four, the pilot or someone else switches it to the standby position, so the plane is no longer communicating with ground radar. A journal source says investigators are pursuing the possibility the plane was diverted with the intention of using it for another purpose. The terrorists on 9/11 turned off the transponder on 3 of the 4 hijacked aircraft. So why would a pilot ever want to turn off a transponder? On the ground, it's routine procedure to put it in standby mode. In the air, it's something that's rarely done. That's why when a transponder signal goes, worst case scenarios start kicking in. That's the short answer.